Say stand up, stand firm, stand together. One love for one another. Jah guide way. When you feel low, when your heart heavy, trouble come like storm on levee. But my voice I call, make you know say me there for you each sunrise and sunset. Every step where you take, me hold your soul. Walk the path, me left you never alone. In the darkness, our sunlight bright. Me hold your hand until everything right. So lift up your head and set your mind. Peace in your heart, leave the worry behind. Jah love our guide, no fear inside. Together we strong, together we rise. Stand right here, me will stand with you. Under the stars in the morning dew. One heart tonight, we never fall. Stand right here, together we stand tall. Stand right here, me will hold your hand. Across the rivers and across the sand. No matter the trouble, no matter the fear, in our love and unity we persevere. When the world spin quick and you feel your lost, take a breath, me say count the cost. But take the next step, don't look back. One love for guide you back on track. Me hear the cry, me hear the pain. Me say love I heal every strain. From Kingston road to Negril shore. Me heart full of hope, my spirit a soar. Lift up your eyes, hear the song, a melody we keep you strong. Jah hold we close, Jah never go. Together we bloom, together we grow. Stand right here, me will stand with you. Under the stars in the morning dew. One heart tonight, we never fall. Stand right here, together we stand tall. Stand right here, me will hold your hand. Across the rivers and across the sand. No matter the trouble, no matter the fear, in our love and unity we persevere. Stand up for your dreams, stand up for your truth. Stand up for the young, stand up for the youth. Stand up for love, stand up for peace. Stand up for the world that needs unity. Stand right here, we will stand with you. Under the stars in the morning dew. One heart unite, we never fall. Stand right here, together we stand tall. Stand right here, me will hold your hand. Across the rivers and across the sand. No matter the trouble, no matter the fear, in our love and unity we persevere.